Multan Public School and College, O Level 9 Chemistry, lecture delivered by Muhammad Saeed Tahir. The topic of today is electrolysis of molten or fused salts. Molten means the salts are heated at very high temperature until they change into liquid state. In this state, there are only the ions of positive metallic ions and negative non-metallic ions. So these positive and negative ions are used as electrolyte in the electrolysis of molten or fused salts. The example of molten or fused salts is lead bromide. The formula is PbBr2. Lead bromide must be heated until it is molten or it becomes liquid. You see here there is a cell. This cell consists of a beaker-like structure having two electrodes. One is anode, the other is cathode. Lead ions, being the positive particles, positive ions, gain two electrons and change into lead ions, lead metals at cathode. While bromide ions lose two electrons to form bromine gas at anode. The overall reaction is PbBr2 change into lead metal plus bromine gas. The other example is electrolysis of molten sodium chloride. In case of molten sodium chloride, the salt sodium chloride, which is known as common salt, is heated at very high temperature, and it is known that its melting point is 801 degrees centigrade. It becomes liquid. Now there are only two ions, sodium ion and chloride ions. Sodium ions take two electrons and change into sodium metal at cathode, while chloride ions lose two electrons and change into chlorine gas. Overall reaction is sodium chloride changes into sodium metal and chlorine gas. However, we get different products if the sodium chloride is dissolved in water. Now we discuss electrolysis of brine. Brine means sodium chloride is dissolved in water and a solution is formed. It has greater concentration of sodium chloride. The electrolysis of brine is a large scale process used to manufacture chlorine, sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas from common salt. There are four ions. Two ions from sodium chloride, sodium ion and chloride ion, and two ions from water, hydrogen ion and hydroxide ions. Now there is a competition for the selective discharge of ions. According to the electrochemical series at cathode, the chloride ion reach first because they have greater concentration and change into chlorine gas by losing two electrons. This is oxidation reaction because loss of electron takes place. At cathode, hydrogen ions gain two electrons and change into hydrogen gas. At the end, the spectator ions उन ions को कहा जाता है जो रिएक्शन में एक्चुअली हिस्सा नहीं ले रहे होते but are present in the reaction mixture or reaction solution. At the end, sodium ion and hydroxide ion, they combine together to form sodium hydroxide. In this way, we get three products. If we see the uses of products in this industry, there are three products: chlorine, sodium hydroxide, and hydrogen. Chlorine is used as a disinfectant and purifier, manufacture of hydrochloric acid, and making plastic. Sodium hydroxide is used in processing of food products, removal of pollution from water or pollutants from water, and manufacture of paper. Hydrogen is used in the manufacture of hydrochloric acid and as potential fuel as a pollution-free fuel. The last is the selective discharge of ions. This is also your homework. You have to study this list of ions and write it in your notebooks and also memorize them because they are needed everywhere in chemistry. The list of ions, which is arranged according to increasing reduction potential from top to bottom. The uppermost 3 or 4 elements, they have the ions like potassium ion, calcium, sodium, magnesium, aluminum, and zinc. They are most reactive in reference to the oxidation potential because they have greater oxidation potential but lower reduction potential. Then hydrogen is taken as the standard. Then copper, Hg and Ag, these are present at the lower part. They have greater reduction potential. They reach the lower elements, the lower ions reach at the cathode first because they have greater reduction potential. On the same way, sulfate and nitrate have less reactive as compared to hydroxide, iodide, bromide and chloride ions. You have to memorize them because it is needed not only in the electrolysis but also used in extraction of metals in the next chapters. Thank you very much.
Fused salts are molten salts. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Multan Public School and College O-Level 9 Chemistry Lecture. The topic of today is electrolysis of Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Saeed Tahir from Multan.